Watch the following scenes to see if you can objectively tell what happened.
Welcome back. I'm pleased to see all of you here today. We're really moving along on our problem-solving tasks. We can be quite proud of our team's effectiveness. I see we need to start today by looking at the invoice processing problem. As for assignments, Laura, you had the first part to graph some of our data. And Sam, you were to provide some benchmarking analysis of similar data for our discussion today. Laura, are you ready to go first?
Sure. Thank you, Bill. As you said, I was to prepare a graphic of our invoice processing timelines. Well, the first thing I did was to interview several support staff who were directly involved in managing invoice processing flow. I wanted to make sure I had a complete understanding of our part in the invoice processing. Once I got the data I considered relevant to evaluate, I used a spreadsheet to organize and graph several key factors. And for each of you, I have a copy of the one graph I consider most meaningful to our discussions. Now, does everyone understand the graph? Well, as you can see, the average turnaround time is extremely high across all months. But during the summer months, it gets even higher. And also the end of November and the whole month of December, it's nearly as bad as it is during the summer months. I think this in part relates to a staffing problem with holidays and vacations. But I'll wait till after Sam's report to discuss this graph and the rest of my findings.
Thanks, Laura. The graph is right on target and the level of pinpoint data we need to tackle this problem. Sam,